Today is June 25th, 2009. Today we're redoing review on screen O-matic application on DuckDuckGo. And then you have to go to screen O-matic, press the green color code, and then you'll go to start recording for free, launch free recorder, circle thing will come on the bottom right hand corner. Start launching recorder, record launch will come up. What's next? Save upload option, upload to YouTube, title OCN2019 nitha, publish yes to YouTube, open upload, share, embedded, see controls, screen, O-matic, edit, go to Blogger, put it on day 10, go back to editor, default, site, you can change it to 600, update. Ego say. Okay, how do you stop it now?